Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode on Fight Night Champion. First, power on your console and navigate to the game. Once Fight Night Champion is running, you will see the main menu. From there, select the option labeled Champion Mode. This is where Andre Bishop's compelling story begins, guiding you through his rise in the boxing world. Get ready to step into the ring and experience a unique narrative. Champion Mode isn't just about fighting. It's a deep narrative experience. You'll follow Andre Bishop's journey, facing both triumphs and setbacks. The game features numerous cinematic cutscenes that unfold the story, revealing key plot points and character development. Pay close attention, as some moments will require you to make decisions that directly impact Andre's path, shaping his destiny in the boxing world and beyond. As you progress, you'll engage in intense boxing matches, each presenting a unique challenge. Winning these fights is crucial for advancing the story. Between bouts, you'll have opportunities to train, which is vital for improving Andre's skills. These training sessions help boost attributes like power, speed, and stamina. Mastering different fighting techniques and special moves will give you a significant edge in the ring. Your ultimate goal in Champion Mode is to guide Andre Bishop to the pinnacle of boxing success. This involves winning a series of increasingly difficult fights and overcoming formidable rivals. Along the way, you'll face personal and professional challenges that test your resolve. As Andre's career flourishes, you'll unlock new equipment and enhance his abilities, preparing him for the final championship bout. Good luck, champion!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.